Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Porsche Panamera. Now I will tell you we're in September 2021 now. I've got an iPhone 12, it's been a recent update, and when I first tried to do it I struggled. It wouldn't pair, so I had to do it 2 or 3 times until it finally did it. But just so you know, if you can't do it, switch your mobile phone off, leave it off for 30 seconds, switch the car off, lock the doors, again leave it shut for 30 seconds before you open it, and switch back on again. So then we go to Bluetooth, click Bluetooth, we're watching out at the bottom here, over to the unit, we'll click phone, and you've got there, it's an option at the moment, but we want phone, so we'll click phone, and then you've got find telephone, and it's got PCM here. So I'll click find telephone anyway. The phone's found the unit. We'll wait for the unit to find the phone, see if that helps. The trouble is, as cars are getting older and the systems are getting older, and the more updates there are with the iPhone, the more apps you've got, the more chance you have of conflicting. And I've got so many apps on here, and as you can see, so many different Bluetooth pairings. So here we go. So Barry's iPhone 12, it's picked it up and it's back on there again. We'll click on there, Barry's iPhone 12, connecting Barry's iPhone 12, passkey 3290, 3290, pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Now it's done it first time this time, but I have had it switched off and the phone switched off, just so as I didn't look like a complete idiot when I was doing this, which I normally do. And you see there, PCM connected, so that's it. You can now use your phone to dial out from the car, or use this. Let's just go back. Phone, previous calls, dial number, and you've got phone book there. It's transferring phone book and transferring call lists. Now I've got my phone book, and it's all ready to go.